How to change Google Assistant's voice on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down and search for Google and click on Google. After you're in the Google section, click on All Services in here. Scroll down and click on Search Assistant and Voice. After that, you will find this kind of screen. Click on Google Assistant. Then scroll down in here. You'll find Assistant Voice and Sound. Click on it. Now, select the voice you prefer. This way, you can simply select the one you prefer as there are many options. After you select one, your Google Assistant voice will be in that one. And this is how to change Google Assistant's voice on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.